Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll begin by verifying prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps now. Make sure your iPhone runs the latest iOS. Updates often fix keyboard bugs. Once done, open Settings, tap General, then Keyboard. Look for autocorrection and toggle it off then on. This refreshes behavior. Next, review text replacement entries and delete any unwanted shortcuts that override words. These quick checks remove common causes and prepare you for deeper resets if autocorrect still misbehaves. Now you'll tackle the complex middle steps, resetting learned data and removing conflicts. Go to Settings General Transfer or Reset iPhone Reset Keyboard Dictionary to clear bad learning. This deletes learned entries but keeps your data. If you use third-party keyboards, temporarily remove them in Settings General Keyboards to see if they're causing issues. Once changes are applied, restart your iPhone to reload keyboard services and make sure new settings take effect. Complete the process by fine-tuning and testing. Re-enable autocorrection and try typing in notes to confirm improvement. Enable predictive text and add helpful shortcuts in text replacement for words autocorrect struggles with. If issues persist, back up your iPhone, ensure iOS is current, then perform a restore via Finder or iCloud. This often resolves deep system glitches. One key troubleshooting tip: if autocorrect still fails after restore, test with a different Apple ID or contact Apple support, because the problem may be account or hardware related.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.